Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Didsbury Art Studio and I'm Sally, and in today's video I have got two different textile techniques to share with you and can't wait to get into it. I know that I could use smaller scissors, but actually I find using the bigger ones a bit more easy. Excuse the washing machine noise going on in the background, but yeah, I managed to cut those out and it just took me about 12 minutes. What I want to do next is I've done it on this one, but you just fold them in half into quarters. And then snip into the center. Okay, so next up, I've got all my little circles cut out, the little Pac-Mans, as I said, they look like. And I've got some denim here and just drawn out a chalk line, and I've just started doing a few just to get going on. So I'll show you what I'm doing. So I've got my circle, and then you line up the back of the circle there on the line, and then you get another circle, open that out and just line it on top of that one there. I hope you can see this. Just pinned that flat just to hold it down, and now I've got the front of my fabric and I'm just gonna overlap it on the line, pop another pin in just to keep it in place. Now I'm just going to do a little stitch from the back. I want to go through two bits of fabrics like that. I'm just doing a little runner stitch. To hold it down. Set these out. Turn up. Then you just turn that one so that the edge is on the line. I'm going to pop my pin in. Grab another one, overlap it, pin, sewing again the two bits of fabrics. So I am going to do that a little bit further along, and then I might do a line at the side. I certainly want to go a bit higher with these ones. I've got quite a few that I can use here as I go along, so let's get going. And just to say, I forgot that I had this circles template up on my shelf, but if you've got one of these, this would be really useful to draw out your circles with. You've seen what I've been doing. I've been using a little card template or drawn around the top of the Pritt stick there, but you can also have these different sizes of templates, which is really helpful. So there we have it, finitoed. I just keep flicking a couple of these back and then they roll back, some of them, but I really like the texture it's created. I've just done 2 rows of them. I'm really happy with the effects though. You could really see playing around with other fabrics, layering them up, a different base coloured fabric or the same colour as the fabric on top. But yeah, really like this technique. We'll definitely do it again. So what I'm doing here is I'm just drawing around the bottom of this pot, which I've been creating some little circles, and I'm just going to do the whole of this strip. Folded it over this time, and I'm just going to crack on. Hello, Layla. Whoa! What are you telling me? What have you come to tell me? You've been outside? Is it really cold out there? You think so? What's up? What's up? You say hello? Hey, where are you going there? Whoa! Where are you going? Hello. Oh, do you want a tickle? Tickle, 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 tickle. Look at that tummy. Oh, look at you. Look at you. So pretty. Right, I'm just taking all those out, and then I'm going to fold those. So it's going to go like that. And I've layered those up. I'm going to halve them, quarter them. Lush, look at that. Then just chop into the centre. You can see that I've got quite a few going on here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got about 4 in each little pile. And I'm just going to open up that part, and then I'm probably going to fit 3 across. So I want this to be nice and flat. I'm just going to pin that down. Oh, you can't even see, sorry. I've just pinned down this side and this side, opened it out, and got the little flouncy bit there. Just going to use 2 bits of fabrics because otherwise it gets too bulky. I might have a go with this transparent thread. I don't know if it's going to be strong enough yet, so I've mainly used it for beading. No, don't break off. No, it hasn't. Which is really good for beading. And it's going through the 2 layers of fabric absolutely fine. Oh, that is lovely. Really like that. The idea is that we build up some layers of these. Washing machine just sounds like it's about to take off. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 3 across, fold over the edge so it's neat at the top, and then after that I'm just going to use the frayed edge at the top, and we'll see how we go. So that's the first 3 sewn on, and I've used the invisible thread on the top and just folded it over to give a little bit of a hem, and we'll get these little waves turning up, which are rather nice. So I'm going to be putting more down here and finishing that off. So I'm just going to pin a couple more of these down Each one has got 4 layers, and I'm not going to do a hem this time. I've pretty much pinned, and so I'm going to get cracking on sewing those. So I've got all those sewn down now, and got a few more left to do, so I'll just add those on. So just to show you what I'm doing when I'm pinning down is I've just pinned all of those ones down, but I'm just changing the direction sort of as I go along. So now I might just pin this way diagonally, so you just get lots of different waves coming in. Okay, so I am on my last one here. What I'll do is I found a couple of references on Pinterest which kind of have some wavy type flounces, fashiony references, which would be quite good to insert here. So I will just ideas really of ways of taking this textile technique forwards. So I'll add those in. And that is the last one. Oh, yep. I always say this, don't I? But that possibly could be my favourite yet. Wow, that's got some mileage. I could definitely be using other fabrics to do that. That is gorgeous. Just want to go like that. It is going to fray this fabric, but I'm okay with that. Hopefully it'll add to the effect. But yeah, lovely. So I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you shortly. Bye.